Hello, and welcome to the Mary and SKYLAR show.
I'm Mary.
I'm SKYLAR, and together with our
This is our show. Yeah.
So, what do we have to
We
report?
haven't done our handshake in a while.
Oh my god, okay.
So this is our handshake. Don't be jealous and don't hate.
So there's a big blizzard coming. I'm kind of... Go ahead.
Oh, we wanted to talk to you guys about it and maybe give you some ideas on if you get stuck, stranded, whatever.
I'm kind of nervous because I live in an old building by myself, and what if what if my power goes out? So I'm like wondering if I should go stay with you or Mara or somebody.
You should come stay with me because I'm fun.
Mara's
we
fun
can make
too.
videos. And
we should all go have
No, Mara is fun. Maybe we should all just gather at one place and just make videos and stuff.
and drink hot cocoa and tell scary stories.
Exactly.
I love it.
Make sure you guys get your flashlights, your candles,
Water bottles.
and if I were you, I would probably try to get stranded with someone who's a little bit heavier than you, just in case you run out of food. You can like eat them.
You might need some band-aids too. I don't know why, but just a precaution.
For what?
I don't know.
Yeah, you better go get your tampons too if you need some. Your pads.
No, but I really am kind of nervous about it. I don't know if I want to go home.
We should probably leave like as soon as we're done with this. Because what if we get stuck?
I know. I think we're closing the studio here early. Everybody is going home. It actually kind of smells like paint in here because they've been painting in the studio, and
I like it.
I feel kind of loopy. I don't know if I do like it. It's not good for my sobriety.
I like it.
Yeah.
Woo! Makes me feel happy. Oh, I think that's just you sitting next to you.
Is there anything else you would like to report today for our weather forecast?
Well, happy Thanksgiving if we don't talk to you.
If we die before then.
What if we're the last ones on Earth? What if it's just you and I and we have to procreate? Just kidding. But really.
Really, anything to save the race.
They would probably like little ADD children running around.
Building candy cane land and stuff or something, I don't know.
Exactly. So do you like my new scent? Do I smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my new douche.
I love it.
Thanks.
Is it Lady Marmalade or whatever?
It's actually fresh scent.
Fresh
spring
Eve?
Scent. Yeah.
Isn't like a douche called Eve or something?
Summer's Eve.
Summer's Eve.
Yeah.
That's the new line
should
by
try
Summer's Eve. I should be a spokesperson for it.
Yeah, I think they make new. What do you call? Never mind, I won't go there.
Anal douching?
Yeah.
I forget what it's
You should
called.
try Listerine.
Ew. Thanks for my coffee.
You're welcome. Cheers.
My cafe.
Cafe. So, what else? Oh,
Yes.
we were gonna start interviewing guys for you.
Oh yeah, because I need a gay in my life.
So we're taking submissions right now for
Not that way. He's not really gay.
a boyfriend for SKYLAR.
I don't need a boyfriend, just a
Love
cuddle
it.
buddy. Like
Yeah, just an F buddy.
And during this big blizzard, like what the hell? Like I need a snuggle buddy.
You can come snuggle with me and Mo.
I want my own though. But
You can snuggle
guys love
with
to.
Stella.
no,
snuggle.
I want another boy.
Bo.
Yes.
Blast that shit. Blast that shit.
I have to put my sunglasses on to dance. I know there's like dots and masks.
We're crazy.
Oh, here's some glasses for you.
Ooh, fun.
You can actually see my picture in 3D. It's on my Facebook.
Really?
Look, it's like you can really see
Oprah
everything.
gave away. Did you see Oprah's favorite things? She gave
No.
away 3D TVs. I wish I would have been there.
3D TVs.
Oprah, holla if you ever need
Hey,
us
Oprah.
on your show. We'd love to do it. I think we could find some time. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. Might have to pencil that in.
Yeah, and people got cruise vacations and
3D television.
and the new iPad is coming out. I really want that. Anyways,
I would just like a little puppy.
a little puppy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you an amazing present.
Oh God,
I'm excited.
Ooh.
All right. Well,
It was
we
like-
ran out of music, so
I guess our show
I guess
is
that's
done
it.
for today.
be safe out there, bitches. We don't want to lose any of you.
Yeah, drive safely. Put on your snow tires.
Yeah.
Is that
Your
it?
chains, whatever.
Are we good?
You can borrow my chains. I have a lot of chains. Alrighty.
Back to you, Babaloo.
Peace out, bitches.